Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Xbox Live user ID for Xbox games in Windows PC. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search in Google Xbox, and then you need to open the first website, and then you need to click on the sign in button in the top right. Okay, and here you need to put your Microsoft ID. So let me put my one. Okay, then you need to click on next, and here you need to put your password. So let me put my password, never. Okay, then you need to click on yes and creation. So you simply need to accept it and click on yes. So it will take few seconds, so you need to wait for that. Okay, so here you can see that my account is successfully created, and I simply need to, you can see that this is my account. So this is a process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.